Whoop whoop! What's up, Juggalos? This is Yakima Juggalo bringing you another unboxing for my channel. This was a birthday gift given to me by my cousin Jackie and my best friend Fathead and my wife. So I thought I would show you guys. It's a pretty good sized box, so let's see what we have. What? Is this a joke? It's dark matter. Coming in 2020, Kung Fu Vampire and Bukshot Double Dragon. A weirdo sticker. And the Mobstle business card or bank card or ID holder goes under your cell phone. That's what they got me in this. And Bukshot mailed it in this big old box. That's the only box he had left. I'm just kidding. It's right here. So my wife got me this Mobstle hat. Flex fit. I love flex fit hats. I don't wear the snapbacks. I can't do snapbacks. And my cousin Jackie and my best friend Fathead got me the Mobstle Jason hockey mask sweater. Look at that. Smoking Joe on the hoodie. Blood splatter. On the back, you have Smoking Joe. Yeah, you can't beat that. Look at that. That is a very cool sweater. Very cool birthday present on top of the cool hat that my wife got me. So, the extras that came with it was the sticker and the cell phone card holder. So that's what I got for my birthday. Whoop whoop. Much motherfucking clown love. Thank you for watching.